The liver, a roughly 3-pound organ that sits under your diaphragm, regulates chemical levels in the blood, according to Johns Hopkins Medicine. It creates a liquid called bile, which ships waste out of your body and breaks down fats during digestion. The byproducts in bile leave your body when you urinate or poop, cleansing your system naturally. Don't go crazy abusing your liver, though. You need to do your job with proper nutrition to keep that detox organ of yours in tip-top shape. Luckily, some of the foods you may already be eating can help keep your liver functioning at its best. 1. Water. Water isn't technically a food, but it's probably the one piece of nourishment you're not getting enough of that could benefit your liver health. That's because water is essential for good blood circulation and for waste excretion. You can actually cleanse your liver by drinking water, since most physiological functions of the liver depend on proper hydration. 2. Olive oil. Fatty liver disease refers to a condition where people develop fat in their liver, and people most at risk are those with type 2 diabetes or people who are overweight or obese. And since people with fatty liver disease don't always get symptoms, they can be completely unaware they have it. To prevent fatty liver disease, you may want to add some olive oil to your diet. People who added extra virgin olive oil to their Mediterranean plan were observed to have a lower prevalence of developing it. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is having its day in the sun thanks to it being a potent source of curcumin, a powerful antioxidant. Curcumin helps to reduce oxidative stress by neutralizing the harmful components of oxidative stress. Curcumin also has a hepatoprotective effect on the liver, which means it can prevent liver damage thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. You can get curcumin every day by adding turmeric to your favorite rice dishes, soups, and even your latte. 4. Grapefruit. Here's another reason to crack open a grapefruit for breakfast. Naringenin is a flavonoid found in grapefruit that's linked to anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the liver. Naringenin works to decrease oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can increase your risk for liver damage. 5. Oats. Starting your day with a serving of oats may be one of the best things to do for your liver. Oats have much needed fiber, with just a half cup of dry oats giving you 4 grams or about 16% of your daily value. Getting more of the nutrient day to day may boost your liver health because fiber helps reduce inflammation in the liver. Here's how it works. Fiber helps keep the gut healthy, and this can create a snowball effect on different organs in the body, including the liver. The term gut-liver axis refers to the link between the health of the gut and the health of the liver. 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Since the liver is responsible for detox action, it's important to keep that system humming by offering it a helping hand. Cruciferous veggies such as radishes, broccoli and cauliflower contain high amounts of glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, 2 compounds that may prevent and treat liver cancer by increasing detoxification enzymes in the liver. Vegetables also contain polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. The nutrient study also points to a general correlation between eating cruciferous vegetables and low rates of cancer, so load up on these veggies daily. 7. Coffee. If you are among the 75% of Americans who start their day with a cup of joe, your liver will thank you. Coffee may reduce the risk of chronic liver disease and slows the advancement of it. It also has shown promise in improving outcomes with cirrhosis and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Coffee's beneficial effects seem to be independent of caffeine, since other caffeinated beverages didn't result in the same perks. So, how much do you need to drink to notice an effect? Most of the studies indicated more than 2 cups of coffee to see any benefit to the liver. Just hold the sugar. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.